Welcome to Textile Technology Channel.
Allow us to take you on our journey through time. A journey spanned over half a century of non-stop struggles, development, and progress. A journey that has allowed us to prosper and emerge as a vertically integrated unit. A journey that enabled us to reach the pinnacle of success and ensure that we emerge as textile leaders in Pakistan. We are the pioneers of the finest quality of textile production, of technical perfection and high-quality standards worldwide. We are Kamal Limited. The spinning division at Kamal spread over 419,000 square feet with an annual production capacity of 4 million kilograms of yarn. We're geared with European and Japanese state-of-the-art technology, an ultra-modern, high-speed, fully automated setup ensuring uniform yarn production. At this facility, we're capable of producing carded and comb versions of yarn in counts of 10s to 80s by using the finest cotton sourced from America, Brazil, Egypt, and Pakistan. This enables us to fulfill our commitment towards the timeless provision of remarkable standards in this highly competitive and dynamic market setting. With sustainability and ethical trading as two of our core values, we're proud members and supporters of Better Cotton Initiative, Organic Content Standard, Primark Sustainable Cotton Initiative, and the Global Recycle Standard. Interconnected with our spinning division is our weaving division, setting standards for short lead times and quality assurance. Kamal Limited comprises of over 250 state-of-the-art Toyota JAT 810 air jet looms, 25 810 Dobby looms, and Karl Meyer warping and sizing machines, enabling us to produce 4 million meters per month. With narrow width looms ranging from 45 to 74 inches and wider width looms ranging from 90 inches to 120 inches, we offer 70 GSM to 350 GSM with T150 to T750 for customers who look forward to trend-setting and innovative finished goods. We are the market leaders of home textile solutions, being one of the largest home textile producers with the capacity of cutting and sewing over 5 million meters every month. Our innovative composite unit has brand new Italian Reggiani digital printing machines, flatbeds that print up to 20 colors, and rotary machines that can print up to 10 colors as per the demands of our clientele. Our home textile product line consists of bed-in bags, sheet sets, and flannels, which are being exported to international retail giants like Walmart, Primark, Target, and Tesco. Moving up the value chain, our purpose-built European dyeing and finishing plant for apparel fabric adds color and quality to everyday casual and institutional wear. Our plant has the capacity to produce 2.5 million meters per month, with capability of running different cotton, cotton stretch, polycotton, and polycotton stretch articles ranging from 100 GSM to 450 GSM. This plant is capable of reactive, VAT, pigment, and dispersed dyeing processes, and we also offer special chemical finishes such as oil and water repellent, fire retardant, antimicrobial, and easy care. The garment division at Kamal is committed towards tailoring perfection, equipped with aesthetics and BSCI compliant revolutionary cut-to-pack machinery. Our Japanese and European washing, cutting, and sewing equipment is run by a team of highly motivated employees. We are currently operating at a production capacity of 450,000 pieces per month. Our production catalog consists of basic 5 pockets, chinos, shorts, dungarees, cargos, and jeggings, which are being exported all over the world, with our clients being high-end fashion houses like Mango, Macy's, TJX, and Guess Jeans. We at Kamal Limited are committed to protecting our planet by using technologies such as the effluent water treatment plant. Kamal is pivoting towards alternative energy resources.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.